Class 10, Chapter 12, Application of Trigonometry. Second problem, exercise 1. See, a tree breaks due to storm. See, a tree, it breaks due to storm, and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. See here, once again I'll read. A tree breaks due to storm, and the broken part, this broken part bends so that the top of the tree, means this top of the tree touches the ground by making an angle of 30 degrees, by making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. See here, the distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. From here to here is 6 meters. From here to here is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down. What they are asking means find the height of the tree before falling down. Here angle of elevation is 30 degrees. See here, in a triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Let the height of the broken part, this is AC, is the height of the broken part, is equals to x meters, and let the height of the remaining part of the tree is equals to h, that is AB is equals to h. Here this is the broken part, means this part broken down, means AD is equals to AC, means AC is equals to AD x, and this is also x. Why? Because this part only broken down, this height part only, this part only broken down. Now angle of elevation is 30 degrees given. Angle of elevation, see here, angle of elevation of the broken part of the tree is 30 degrees given. Now distance between foot of the tree and the top of the tree is 6 meters. Foot of the tree and top of the tree is 6 meters. Here we will write 6 meters. Foot of the tree and top of the tree, this top of the tree here fall down. This top of the tree and foot of the tree is equals to 6 meters distance. This is 6 meters. Now this is hypotenuse. Longest side is called hypotenuse, and hypotenuse beside side is called adjacent side. Already I said this is adjacent side. Now next side is called opposite side. Another side is opposite side. once I'll tell in Hindi and Telugu. एक ट्री है, वो स्ट्राम की वजह से ये गिर गया तो इसकी एंगल क्या है 30 डिग्री है, एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन. ये टॉप से नीचे तक क्या है डिस्टेंस 6 मीटर से. हम लोग एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ले रहे हैं, एंगल बी इसको 90 डिग्रीज. हिंदी सर सी ये दिस पार्ट हम लोग लिख रहे हैं एच, this total height of the tree, a total height of the tree, a remaining part and a broken part. A remaining part को हम लोग h ले रहे, ये broken part को x ले रहे. This part only broken no, a part इच a इच गिर गया, a इच ऐसे गिर गया, बोल दो a x, बोल दो a भी x. Now angle of elevation यहाँ पर 30 डिग्रीज दिए, बोल दो angle of elevation 30 डिग्रीज. ये नीचे ट्री के नीचे से ए टॉप गिर गया ना, वो वहाँ तक डिस्टेंस क्या बोलते 6 మీటర్స్ ये, बोलते BC ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 6 మీటర్స్. ఒక ట్రీ ఉంది, అది గాలి ద్వారం వల్ల అది ఇరిగిపోయింది, యాంగిల్ 30 డిగ్రీస్ అయిపోయింది. ఆ డిస్టెన్స్ పడిపోయిన దగ్గర నుండి ఆ కింది వరకు డిస్టెన్స్ 6 మీటర్స్ ఇచ్చిండు. మనం ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం, ఏబీసీ ఇస్ రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్, అందులో యాంగిల్ బి 90 డిగ్రీస్. ఇందులో ఈ ఏడి అనేది ఏసీ అనేది బ్రోకెన్ పార్ట్, ఇది ఏసీ ఏడి ఎక్స్ అయితే ఏసీ కూడా ఎక్స్ అవుతుంది. ఈ అదర్ పార్ట్ ఏముందో అది హెచ్ అనుకుంటాం, ఈ అదర్ పార్ట్ హెచ్, ఈ బ్రోకెన్ పార్ట్ ఇది ఇరిగిపోయింది కదా, ఇది ఎక్స్. ఇక్కడ ఉండేది ఇట్లా పెట్టాను, ఇది ఇరిగిపోయింది, ఇది ఎక్స్ బ్రోకెన్ పార్ట్. దేర్ ఫోర్ ఏడి అనేది ఏసీ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఎక్స్ ఎక్స్. నౌ ఇది హైపోటెన్యూస్, ఇది అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్, బి సైడ్ ఉన్నది అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్, हाइपोटेन्यूज साइड बी साइड एडजेसेंट साइड अनदर साइड ऑपोजिट साइड. हिंदी लो हाइपोटेन्यूज ये लॉन्गेस्ट साइड का क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग, हाइपोटेन्यूज बोलते हैं. इसके बाजू में क्या है एडजेसेंट साइड, दूसरा साइड क्या है ऑपोजिट साइड. हम लोग को क्या फाइंड आउट करना बोलते हो, हाइट ऑफ द ट्री क्या है, वी शुड फाइंड हाइट ऑफ द ट्री, वी शुड फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री. हाइट ऑफ द ट्री फाइंड आउट करना, हाइट ऑफ द ट्री कनुक्कोवाली. लेट द हाइट ऑफ द ब्रोकन पार्ट ऑफ द ट्री, height of the broken part, this broken part of the tree, AC is equals to x meters, AC is equals to x meters. Since AD is equals to AC, since this AD is equals to AC, AD is equals to AC. Let the height of the remaining part of the tree AB is equals to height of the remaining part of the tree. The remaining part of the tree from here to here, remaining part of the tree AB is equals to H. We will take AB is equals to H meters. AB is equals to H meters. Distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground BC is equals to 6 meters given there. Once I'll show the figure. Distance between the foot of the tree, distance between the foot of the tree, distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground BC is equal 6 meters. See here, BC is equal 6 meters. First we will find AB, H is equals to, we will find, afterwards we will find X. Therefore we should find H means what, opposite side by adjacent side given. Therefore opposite side by adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side means what, tan theta. Therefore we will take tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is equal to what, AB by BC, opposite side by adjacent side. Tan 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite side theta by adjacent side to theta, opposite side by adjacent side. Here tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. In the place of tan 30, I'll write 1 by root 3. In the place of tan 30, what I'll write? 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Opposite side, here opposite side is equal to H and adjacent side is equal to 6. Opposite side is equal to H and adjacent side is equal to 6 meters. By cross multiplication, in board exam you should not keep this cross marks, you should write here by cross multiplication, you should write in words. here h into root 3, h into root 3 is equals to 6. Now h is equals to 6 by this root 3, right RHS side. What happened? Multiplication quantity becomes division quantity. Therefore root 3, 1 by root 3. 6 into 1, 6 by root 3. Now rationalizing with root 3. Here should write the steps rationalizing with root 3. H is equals to 6 by root 3 into multiplying and dividing by root 3. To remove this denominator root 3 value, h is equals to 6 into root 3. 6 root 3 by root 3 into root 3. Root 3 whole square. Now the square root and square get cancelled. H is equals to 6 into root 3 by 3. Now cancel by 3 table. 3 ones, 3 twos, 6. Now h is equals to, therefore h is equals to 2 into root 3. Height of the remaining part of the tree is 2 into root 3. We got h value. H is equals to 2 into root 3. Therefore we got opposite side. We should find hypotenuse. Therefore opposite side by hypotenuse. Therefore sin theta is equals to opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Therefore we will take sin 30. Sin 30 will take sin 30 degrees is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here sin 30 degrees is equals to what? Half. Since sin 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. In the place of sin 30, I'll write 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equals to opposite side. What we got opposite side? H we got. H is equals to what we got? 2 into root 3. Just now we proved. Now AB by AC. Opposite side is AB and adjacent side, hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC. AB by AC 1 by 2 is equals to, here AB is equal H and AC is equal X. H by X. AB is equals to H and AC is equals to X. But since H is equals to, just now we proved, we got a value 2 into root 3. Now in the place of H we will write 2 into root 3. 1 by 2 is equals to H. H is equal to 2 into root 3. 2 into root 3 by X. 2 into root 3 by X. Now by cross multiplication, 1 into X is equal to X. 1 into X is equal to X. And 2 into root 3, 2 into root 3. Now X is equals to 2 into 2, 4. 4 root 3. We got X value. X is equals to 4 into root 3. Now we should find height of the tree before falling down. Means this X 4 into root 3. AC is equal to AD, no? Therefore X is equal to X. X is 4 root 3 means, here AC is equals to AD. Therefore X is equals to 4 into root 3 means this AC is equal to AD. X is equal to X. 4 into root 3 means 4 into root 3. This 4 into root 3 plus this H. This is the broken part. X is equal to X. This is H plus X. Both will add means we will get the height of the tree before falling down. See, height of the tree before falling down. AB plus AD, AB plus AD. See here, look at the figure, AB plus AD. AB plus AD means total height of the tree. This is the total height of the tree. From the figure, AB is equals to H plus AD is equal to X, where AB is equal to H is equal to 2 into root 3 we got, plus just now we proved X is equal to 4 into root 3, 2 into root 3 plus 4 into root 3, 2 plus 4 6, 6 into root 3 meters. Height of the tree from here to here, the height of the tree before falling down, this is X plus H, both will add means what we got answer 6 into root 3. Height of the tree before falling down, AB plus AD, X plus H, 4 into root 3 plus 2 into root 3. For adding means these two means what you will get 6 into root 3. Hence we proved.